POE-Jack RJ45s come with the RJ45 connector, staggered sled and strain relief boot. POE-Jack RJ45s use 3-prong conductors for the best connection, unlike single or double prongs from other companies. It has a staggered wire configuration for less crosstalk, better performance and better POE conduction. The staggered sled insert makes it easy to install and pass the conductors through without leaving the conductors exposed at the end of the connector. This connector works for Cat6, Cat6E and Cat6A cables. Compliant and optimized for POE 50-micron gold-plated contacts. Step 1. Slide the strain relief boot down the cable. Step 2. Trim center spline, pair separator as close to the cable jacket as possible without nicking any of the wire conductors. Step 3. Make sure each wire conductor is straight. We recommend using the POE-Jack crimp tool that has a wire straightener under the handle. Step 4. Then straighten and align wires to the correct alignment pattern, type A or B. The B pattern is most commonly used today. Using an angled flush cutter tool POE-Jack cutter to trim wire ends straight before inserting them into the staggered slide. Step 5. Insert the pattern-aligned wires as shown above, B pattern shown, into the staggered sled. Step 6. Slide staggered sled down until it touches or comes close to the cable jacket. Step 7. Then trim wires flush with the staggered sled using the angled flush cutter. Please be sure to trim the wires properly. If wires are not trimmed close to the sled will not be set properly over the plug pins. Step 8. Insert the cable with the staggered sled into the plug so that it reaches the very end. Notice in the picture that the cable jacket should come to the horizontal line underneath the plug. Slide the strain relief boot up. Step 9. Insert the loaded plug into the crimper socket. Be sure that plug is fully inserted until the end with the staggered sled pushed till the very end. Then complete crimping cycle. Push strain relief into place.